Yo, it's so cray, Elena. If I spin this fidget spinner and dab, and it will not stop spinning, you will have to smash that light button. So 3, 2, 1. And look, it's still spinning. So now you gotta smash that like button. Cray. So today, we are gonna spin a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. So right now, it's like 2:31 a.m. So, now we are gonna do it. I'll pause the video till it is. Yo guys, it's 3 a.m. See, 3 a.m. So, we are going to spin that fidget spinner. Let me turn on the light. It's so dark. Okay, so now we're gonna spin it. How do I turn on the camera? Okay, so we're gonna do it. Fail. Okay, do it. Okay guys, it stopped spinning. Okay. Oh my god! It's unknown. Should I answer it, guys? This is scary! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I should answer it. Hi. Hello? Hi. Oh my god. You will die. Oh my god, so she's gonna die. 7 days. 7 days. Isn't that like a week? 7 days. When will you pronounce that? When will you pronounce that you're gonna poop? Diarrhea. 7 days. When are you gonna pronounce that? That you last time you poop? 7 days. When will you will die. Bye. Boop, boop, boop. Sure, leave me alone, guys. Oh my god. I'm ugly. Let's go check. Okay, let's go check. Actually, on second thought, I'm scared. Just spin a fidget spinner and die. I'm the cool kid now. Bye guys. I will die in 7 days, so I won't be making any more videos. And also, oh my god, guys. You guys should check this out. Oh my god. There's a Reese's Puff. And on the wrong way. Oh my god! Sorry guys, something happened. Okay, so I don't even know like what to do right now, and right now I'm just like chilling. Oh my god, the lights just blinked.
He looks like Mr. Bean.
Oh my god. Someone! Did you just see that? Getting sick. Oh my god.